Hello class. For social studies today, we're going to fill in our January timeline. Some of the things we did in January, we learned about polar bears. We learned how they have blubber to keep them insulated by doing a blubber experiment. We made habitats for polar bears and penguins with boxes. Another thing we did in January was we learned how to cut out paper snowflakes. Here's some paper snowflakes and a picture of a real snowflake. We also learned about Martin Luther King Jr. and what diversity means. We did an egg experiment to learn that people are the same on the inside. We learned about penguins. We had a penguin art project. We learned and watched videos about real penguins. And we did some penguin coloring and pictures. For your timeline, you're going to write your name and date at the top, and you're going to draw a line across the bottom of your page. Then you're going to make 3 little dashes spread out on that line. Then you're going to draw some of the things you remember doing in class in January. I drew a picture of me in pajamas, cutting out a snowflake, and a penguin, or penguin habitats. When you finish drawing and labeling your pictures, then you can color them. When you're finished, mark it as done in Google Classroom and place it in your social studies binder. Goodbye.